Good morning, YouTube. Okay, so we are working on the stairs today, and part of that is trying to get a platform at the base of them for a landing. And when we added up what we needed for our thin set and tile and subfloor and tile again, Ditra and tile, or some type of decoupling membrane, we came up that we're going to put these 2x6s on top of a treated 2x4. So we'll have a treated 2x4 laying down and Tapcon into, can you even see that? Yep. All right, Tapcon into the concrete, and then the 2x6 will do something like that on top of it. Then we'll have our subfloor on top of that and our tile on top of that. And then this distance needs to be 7 5/8 to give us our stair height. So that means that we need to cut these guys to 5 1/8 of an inch. So that's what we're here in the shop to do on the table saw, because we figured it would be easier than trying to rip the length of these on using the battery powered circular saw. So here we go. Double check.
You're still recording, by the way.
Okay. Alright. And we'll wait for that one.
I'll take those.
On? Yep. Here you go. Blow off real fast. We had wrong parts come in for both Lucy and my car. We also, as we were doing the work, we found out that the shackle bolts, if you can see right there, shackle bolts, not shackle bolts, U-bolts that hold the axle on were completely rusted out. So it's gonna get real noisy. Okay, we're completely rusted out, and oh, here we go. Yeah, that is the end of the U-bolt, completely rusted away. We had two on each side that were, well, both, okay, one leg of every U-bolt was rusted off, but they all were like catty corner of each other, so it was still kind of holding on with just one bolt each. So, yep. Okay. Kind of got our 2x wedged into Duke.
Hey, now I know that I'm recording. Here comes Dustin. He is bringing the cat back over so we can do things. Looks like he might need some help getting this off of there. We got a little detour while we were over here cutting some wood, some of the Vantech for the platform. We're going to now take off the road conditioner off of there. We're going to put that on, which is our cage that we get into. Add the cage on there. And then the little detour that we had is coming from in here. We have this old safe. We were up here, like I said, cutting the Vantech. Dustin says the safe, sees the safe over there. It was like, I think Dad's getting rid of that. Maybe we need a document safe. So we grab that and come back, and we're going to try to take it over there along with the wood to make our stringer.
I don't know if that's a good idea, but we're doing it.
Oh, you need to push out there.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
All right.
Welcome to the ride.
Let's see what happens. I might be able to pick it up and slide it here.
You want me to grab that? I don't think so.
All right, let me get it out here. So I can...
And there he goes, heading over that way. I'll follow soon with the with Duke and some strap. Okay, so we got a man lift on there. We have a safe on there. We have a fork attachment on there, and we have our 4 stringers that we have yet to cut that we were supposed to have done today. So, yeah, this is, like I said, this is another detour. This is pretty normal for us on a Saturday. Start doing something, and then, oh hey, I think we can do this. Well, if we're going to do it, we need to do it now. So let's get this put in. So here we are. We're at it again. We'll pick up when we're probably trying to pick the safe up and lower it down into the basement. So see you in a bit. One more thing. I must compliment Dustin on his great balancing skills here. If you can see that stringer that is trying to fall off of there, he has been balancing that very well on our half-mile trek. Kudos, Dustin. Kudos. Okay, so now we have the boom on here. I think we're gonna have to pull it back off and re-thread it on there because we missed one of the loops. But we're gonna try to pick it up with the chain from there and see what we can do. So here goes this, yeah.
Release half hitch in there and tighten it down tight, and that should keep it from slipping. Let me get some of my extra slack out of the way. And then to make sure and just safety it, I usually tie a couple of half hitches around here, pull them snug but not super tight, and that should keep anything from slipping back out. Okay, so that's our brace. All right, we're not gonna lift from out here because I'm pretty sure we can't. But I can't change from here. No. I almost can. Let's try the other end. That's even a bit worse, isn't it? Need another hole or hook. That's gonna flip. Doo-doo-doo. Well, let's see if we can even pick it up from here. It won't work for actually going down in because we won't be able to tip it out. But if we can't even pick it up, it's, as Joey would say, a moot point. This isn't gonna work either.
Well, as you can see, it is up in the air and moving now. I'm not real sure how I feel about this because I will be the one down in the basement when we go to lower this. So we'll see what happens. Gonna have to find some more change because we're a little short, of course. As you can tell by looking at it, we're not gonna be able to drop that down almost 9 foot down in there. So. We're taking is we're going around the driveway right now and we're getting ready to go into the garage area. The garage area is where the steps are that are going down into the basement. So we're going to go through there And as you'll see over here, you can see all the little pieces of the eye joist that I threw out just a little while ago that are going to be in our way now. So I will head over and get those moved. Set you guys down and let you watch the show. We'll see what happens.
How's that gonna work?
As you can see, the superintendent showed up to make sure that we're being safe.
It's not having more problems than it's worth. Yeah, like if you drop that, you bust a concrete boom. And it ain't worth that much to have that little storage down. Yep. You're wasting time. You could be building stairs. Didn't work.
We didn't even try.
I told Judy that. I said, that's not going to work.
Go ahead.
What the hell do we have down?
You're clear. Watch your head. Okay, so that was delay number 2 or detour number 2 today, whatever you want to call it. Not real sure how I feel about doing this. I'm kind of glad we're not doing it now. I know my life will be spared for the day, and we'll see what happens after this. Talk to you later. Bye.